Good morning! Nagbabalik na naman yung kadigmaya. Hi! Nililinis ko yung truck namin guys. Kasi mahal kasi magbayad ng pag maglinis, $100. So guys, may dalawa naman akong kamay. So kailangan gamitin. Finally, I'm done to clean this truck.
Hi mga kadigma. So,
And
tapos na ako guys.
liquid silver
Linis na.
truck cleaner.
Wow,
Liquid
nagutom ako.
cleaner. It's good. Look at that, so shine.
Oh, diba?
Still a lot of bugs
Ayan,
other side, both sides, so we need to take off that.
Linis na
That's for
guys.
how many days.
Pero may problema doon.
So that's
Ewan
because
ko ano bang
we're
nangyari.
gonna
Yan,
travel
nagka-
to Lake Superior, so I need to clean up. I cleaned up already last Sunday, but I need to clean up more.
Like Michigan or Indiana?
I don't know the other state, but 200 Fahrenheit.
Oh, 200 Fahrenheit. Oh, no, it don't get that hot.
It's great.
Nowhere in the world it gets too hot.
Guys, we're gonna go eat for dinner. So, KFC. It's really good, guys. So, it's my day of Sundays. So, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Alright, guys. Keep on watching. Stay tuned.
Huh?
We're gonna eat.
So it's ready, let me know.
Radar is quiet for now. That radar is going to be getting a workout soon, but not this evening. Hour by hour we go. It's going to continue to be hazy, but it will be warm and humid as well. In fact, as we get close to sunset, still 80 degrees. How about you sleep the place down? And by the way, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, that's when we start to see some thunderstorms, and that's severe weather outlook for tomorrow. A couple of waves of storms, one in the morning, one in the evening.
Here's my love.
We ready?
Yeah.
Maybe even some large hail. Heavy rains in play.
We have KFC. And that is fried chicken.
Thanks, Keith. Unfortunately, tonight we are learning a teenager who crash in Berry County.
Mashed potato.
East Brown Road
Four
in Berry
rolls.
County. Police say a truck struck a tree and caught fire.
KFC.
She said she put honey in there too.
Yeah, they have that.
We need, oh wow, look at all the honey.
Investigation. Continuing coverage tonight of the string of salon break-ins in Kalamazoo County just last night. These
You want
broke
pork?
into 2 separate stores.
Did they give us any plastic ones?
Their pattern of shattering windows and
You
taking
can just use plastic, throw them away.
Studio after talking
No.
to one of the victims, Alan. This smash and grab was caught on camera once again.
Excessive floods needed help at least 6 break-ins in less than 1 week. The others were all in
And spoon.
early this morning. Targets
I don't need spoon. No spoon for me.
After hearing what happened earlier this week, one spa owner was prepared.
So when we came in, the glass was all over inside and outside.
Stacey Shives was shocked by their security.
Bombing for the past 2 days. Iran's military on Sunday also said it had halted.
So guys, mag-unboxing. Yan, ilalagay ko doon sa fridge guys. We buy some stuff, food stuff, because we're gonna go to Lake Superior. It's few only guys, few. Frutas and chocolate, yogurt, bread, ganon guys. So, as usual, stay tuned.
Constitutional amendment, we can pass a simple bill in Congress that declares an invasion as
Yun.
we declare tyrants, Nazi spies, in the past as invaders into our country. The number of illegals, the tens of millions of
My skincare for every morning. So I buy some face face cleansing face from Korea. From Korean, guys. It's really good. And your skin will be smoothness. And then, yung mga black, natatanggal talaga siya. Tsaka nag-shine. Then, after, nilagyan ko ng serum yan. And then, lay. And then, face powder, face liquid. So, you just try, guys. Oh my gosh, that is awesome.